Welcome to this complete tutorial on WASender, one of the most powerful WhatsApp bulk marketing tools available today. Whether you are a business owner looking to reach more customers, a digital marketer running campaigns for clients, or a freelancer who wants to offer WhatsApp marketing as a service, WASender has everything you need in one place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire software from start to finish. You'll learn how to connect your WhatsApp account, extract fresh leads using the Google Maps data extractor, send bulk messages with the right safety settings, set up an autoresponder bot, filter contacts, and explore several other powerful features. Everything is beginner friendly, no technical skills required. Let's get started. A Capcom connection. The very first thing you need to do after installing WASender is connect your WhatsApp account. Open the software and look for the QR code on the main screen. Now pick up your phone, open WhatsApp and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Link Devices, then tap Link a device. Your phone's camera will open, point it at the QR code on your screen and hold it steady for a second. Once scanned, you'll see your WhatsApp profile name appear inside WASender, confirming the connection is live. That's all it takes. Your account is now connected and ready to use. One important thing to keep in mind, make sure your phone stays connected to the internet while using WhatsApp as it requires an active connection to keep the session running smoothly. Google Maps Data Extractor. Now let's talk about one of the most valuable features in WhatsApp, the Google Maps Data Extractor. This tool allows you to pull real business leads directly from Google Maps without using any third-party service. Navigate to the Google Maps Data Extractor section inside the software. You'll see a search bar where you can enter any keyword and location combination to target specific businesses. For this demonstration, type in restaurants in Delhi and hit the extract button. WASender will start scanning Google Maps and pulling data in real time. You'll see business names, phone numbers, addresses, and other available contact details populating the results panel as the extraction runs. Once the extraction is complete, you can review the list and remove any entries that aren't relevant to your campaign. Then click Export to save the results as an Excel file directly to your computer. This is an incredibly efficient way to build a targeted niche-specific lead list in minutes, whether you're targeting restaurants, gyms, salons, clinics, or any other type of business in any city. No subscriptions, no third-party tools, no manual searching. WhatsApp number filter. Before you send any messages, I highly recommend running your contact list through the WhatsApp number filter. Go to the number filter section and import your list, either the one you just exported from the Google Maps extractor or any existing list you have saved as an Excel file. Click filter and WASender will check each number to verify whether it is active on WhatsApp. Any number that is not registered on WhatsApp gets flagged and separated from your valid contacts. Why does this matter? Because messaging inactive numbers wastes your send quota, slows down your campaign, and can increase the chances of your account being flagged for unusual activity. Filtering first means you're only reaching reachable people, which makes your campaign more efficient and your account safer. Bulk messaging. Now, let's set up and send your bulk messaging campaign. Head to the Send Messages section. Start by importing your filtered contact list. Click the Import option, select your Excel file, and your contacts will load into the panel. Next, compose your message in the text box. Keep it clear, concise, and relevant to your audience. Avoid anything that sounds like spam. Write the way a real person would reach out to a potential customer. You can also add an attachment by clicking the attachment icon. Upload an image, a PDF brochure, a product catalog, or any file you want to include alongside your message. Now, before you hit send, let's configure the delay settings, and this step is critical. In the delay configuration panel, set the delay before each message to between 40 and 80 seconds. Then set an additional delay after every 10 messages to between 100 and 200 seconds. Why these specific settings? WhatsApp monitors messaging patterns on every account. When messages go out too fast or in an unnatural rhythm, WhatsApp systems can detect it as automated behavior and restrict or ban the number. These delay settings create a natural human-like sending pattern that significantly reduces the risk of your account getting flagged. They help your account last longer and your campaigns run more consistently over time. Always use these settings, especially if you are running large campaigns. Once everything is configured, your contacts are loaded, your message is written, your attachment is added, and your delays are set. Click send. The live progress tracker will show each message going out in real time. You can let it run in the background while you focus on other work. Auto responder bot. Once your bulk messages go out, people will start replying, and that's where the autoresponder bot becomes essential. The autoresponder bot allows you to automatically reply to incoming WhatsApp messages. Simply create a keyword, define the reply message, save the configuration, and keep the software running. Whenever someone sends the specified keyword, WASender will automatically send the predefined response. For example, set the keyword to price and the reply to your pricing details. Set hi to trigger a welcome message. Set menu to automatically send your product or service list. The bot runs silently in the background and handles every reply instantly. So no lead is ever left waiting, even when you are away from your desk. Additional features WASender comes packed with several other tools worth knowing about. And that's a complete walkthrough of WASender. From connecting your WhatsApp account, extracting leads from Google Maps, filtering your contacts, sending bulk campaigns with the right delay settings, automating replies with the bot, and using the additional tools to supercharge your outreach. The key things to always remember: use the number filter before every campaign, and never skip the delay settings 40 to 80 seconds between each message, and 100 to 200 seconds after every 10 messages. These two habits will keep your account safe and your campaigns running long term. Westender is a one time purchase starting at just $7 with no monthly fees and no messaging limits. Visit the Wazender site using the link in the description to explore the plans and get started today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, drop any questions in the comments below, and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.